Actions. Throw.
Throw. Throw.
The son is throwing a ball to his father.
Hold.
Hold. Hold.
The baby holds a ball with both hands.
Give.
Give. Give. The girl gives the flowers to her grandmother.
Lift.
Lift. Lift.
You can lift weights to exercise.
Throw.
Throw. Hold.
Hold.
Give.
Give.
Lift.
Lift. Two. Hot. Gone. Two. Hot. Gone. Work. 9. Sure.
Colors. Pink.
Pink.
The pink blossoms are splendid.
Blue.
Blue. On a sunny day, the sky is blue.
Red.
Red.
They are riding in a red fire truck.
Black.
Black.
The black night sky is so beautiful. Pink.
Pink.
Blue.
Blue.
Red.
Red. Black.
Black.
Wolf. Wolf. Surf. Surf. Calf. Calf. Words end with F.
Wolf.
Roof. Golf.
Puff.
Cliff. Chef.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Black.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Awesome!
Give.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Hold.
Can you pick out? Red. Fantastic! Red. Which one is?
Lift.
That is right.
Lift.
Can you point to throw? You did it! Throw. Can you pick out?
Gone.
You did it!
Can you point to?
9. That's right.
Hooray! You finished the lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker. Play lessons to earn more stickers.